Hi, my name is Shimla Shirak, my register number is UA156. So today I'm going to talk about deployment diagrams that can be implemented in the application online course registration system using star UML. So let's get started. So what is a deployment diagram? A deployment diagram is nothing but a UML diagram that is used to represent the hardware components of an application. Now a deployment diagram is closely related to a component diagram, but the only difference is that component diagram represents the components and the deployment diagram deploys the hardware components of an application or of a model. So it's a very simple this thing. It's going to represent the hardware component, but since it's an online course registration, all you're going to deal with is the client. There is two clients. One will be the student and the admin, and the other client is going to be an application server which runs these registration forms. So since it's an online registration, it runs the online registration form which provides the offered courses and the subject registrations and all the things. Then finally you have the database server where all of these details from the student as well as the admin, everything is going to be stored in the database server, and this database server can be accessed by the admin only, and it is connected to this application server because all of the data that is going to be gotten from the application server is going to get stored in the database server. So a package, we have a package. A package is it's kind of like a library of some sort which stores all of this. If you have a number of applications and if you want it under one particular one file, you're going to use a package in order to hold all of those documents together in a single a file. So for that you use a package. Then you have a component. A component is like an object. It is as a whole. It's a for example, in a student registration system, a registration form is going to be a component. The database is going to be a component. So these all of the functions are comprised into a single unit that is known as a component. So here under client, we have two sets of clients. One is an admin and another one is student, and both have access to the application server, which is another package. And application server consists of the courses that are offered and also the subject registrations that are provided by the online registration system. So these are accessed by these two clients, and the application server in turn is connected to the database server, which has the users and the requests and everything that is related to this registration system. And all of these data that is gone in the application server are stored in the database server. Now this database server can be accessed only by the admin, because the admin has to sort out the details as to see if the user can be deleted, if the request can be accepted, and all those things can be done only by the admin. Hence the admin is connected to the database server. So these are some of the components. Now if it is since it's an online portal, you have these servers and clients connected. If it is really like a real-time or physical component, then you're going to connect physical components to it, and that will make up your deployment diagram. So this is just a simple example of a simple explanation for what a deployment diagram would be for an online course registration system. Thank you for watching.